So all that Sagittarius needs to know from now until the end of the month. Okay. So I hope you guys are doing well. The first card we have for you is the Hanged Man. Top card is Five of Pentacles. So in the past you were waiting for someone. You were waiting for this person to reach out to you. You could be waiting on this person to change. You try to even keep a watch on them, like stalk them or possibly see what they are up to. I won't say stalk, but you are like keeping a watch on them. Like you wanted to know what this person is up to. Right now you might be feeling left out in the cold by this individual. Possibly at the current moment your energy is such that you are feeling left out. Okay, you feel like this is not going to get anywhere. Okay, give me one more card. What's really coming towards the sign of Sagittarius? What's really coming forward towards the sign of Sagittarius? Please note that tarot readings are general readings and it may or may not resonate with you. Okay, also that not all tarot readings are for the happy people. If you have some confusion, tarot is for you. If you do not have any confusion, there's no point watching it. Okay, so yeah, let's start. What's really coming forward towards the sign of Sagittarius moving forward? Coming forward to the sign of Sagittarius moving forward. Okay, with Two of Cups and Four of Cups in the bottom, top card is Nine of Swords. You guys are very much restless regarding the soulmate situation that you are in right now. You do have someone on your mind. It's not like you are single. Okay, even if you are single, I still see you having a person on your mind. Okay, I see this person trying to reach out to you. With Two of Cups, this person will definitely reach out to you. Bottom card we have is Four of Cups. So in the past, this person did not take you seriously. They did not choose you. In the past, this person rejected you. You felt like you were not going to get anywhere with this person. Right now with Nine of Swords, you are not getting proper sleep. You are in a very helpless situation. Not all of you, but some of you. And I feel that for some of you, this person will want to reach out. With Two of Cups, this is that like positive sign that things are going to move forward. Okay, so how is this person possibly thinking of you now? One card for how is the Sagittarius soulmate possibly thinking of Sagittarius now? So how is the Sagittarius soulmate possibly thinking of Sagittarius now? Some of you might be in connection with the possible water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Some of you Leo. Some of you Pisces in particular. Okay, your person is wanting to come forward, but the problem is your person wanting to stay? Okay, with Two of Wands, in the past they were making a decision, and right now I see this person coming forward. They have intentions or they are thinking of coming forward, but it is more like sexual interest than romantic interest. Okay, like emotional interest, I see lack of that shit. Sexual is more. Okay, top card we have here is Page of Wands. So you guys will definitely get communication. I see 80% chances of you guys getting communication this coming month. Okay, so in terms of their intentions towards you now, one card for Sagittarius soulmates intentions towards Sagittarius. What Sagittarius soulmates intention going to be towards the sign of Sagittarius? One card for that, please. Moving forward, what are the intentions going to be towards sign of Sagittarius? Okay, right now I believe for some of you this person is not completely single. Okay, top card we have is Queen of Cups, but the love is still like they are still wanting to stay attached to you. For some of you, this person only comes to you for sexual reasons. Okay, it is not a good card to get. Top card, however, we have Queen of Cups. This person definitely has to make a choice. I do not know if you guys know about it, but this guy is not completely single. The person you guys are dealing with has kept you into a third party. In terms of their intention, we have Three of Swords. For some of you, this person only wants to keep you a third party. That's the problem. Just like I told you, more sexual than emotional. In terms of their feelings towards you now, give me one card for their current feelings towards you. So what are their current feelings towards the sign of Sagittarius? What are their current feelings in terms of Sagittarius? How do they truly feel for Sagittarius? One card for their current feelings towards the sign of Sagittarius. In terms of feelings, I see this person like wanting to come forward. Okay, with bottom card High Priestess, top card Judgment is in the reverse. So this person still has to learn lessons elsewhere. It is not you. This is more like karma. Okay, like this person has more issues that than you possibly know. Okay, like more issues than you possibly know. With the chariot, as of now, this person is interested, but in the future, you never know. Okay, as of now, this person is definitely wanting to come forward, but are they wanting to change? That's a big question mark. Okay, so in terms of like, let's see, in terms of their offerings. So what is your person possibly ready to offer you now? What's the Sagittarius soulmate possibly wanting to offer Sagittarius? What's the Sagittarius soulmate possibly wanting to offer the sign of Sagittarius? The problem with the thing here is that the world card, this person still wants to be a part of you regardless of the situation that they are in or that you are in, regardless of whether you are married or this person is married or whether you are having someone or they are having someone. I still feel on some which level that this person is still very much messed up, but they still want to be a part of you. Okay, they are not going to be ready to let you go. Would want to clarify the world card in terms of the world here. Please clarify the world. So why is the world card here, spirit, in terms of what are they wanting to offer? Usually in love readings, the world card is seen as someone wanting to offer you forever. Okay, that's how I read this card. Every reader reads it differently, no doubt. Some people read it as endings, but it depends on the top and the bottom card. Yeah, with the King of Swords, this person will let you know that this person wants you for the future, not now. That's a big issue, right? As of now, I still see this person wanting to, take things slow. This person is still wanting to manifest you. Don't get me wrong, but like what you could possibly expect from this person by the end of the month. Like what could the sign of Sagittarius possibly expect from their soulmate by the end of the month in terms of action? We ask in spirit. What could the sign of Sagittarius possibly expect in terms of action by the end of the month? The next, let's take 2-3 weeks. With King of Pentacles, some of you slowly but surely will get commitment from this individual. Okay, I don't see it fast. I see it slow, but for some of you, this person will take control over the relationship. Okay, I'm getting a very much player like energy. This person comes off as a player. You know that this person is a player, but for some of you, this person will give you commitment, but it will take time. I won't say I won't confirm, or neither would I want to possibly guarantee you that it's going to happen by the end of the month, but I see this person giving commitment with time. Okay, as of now they are in a very player much energy, like a player like energy, like wanting to fuck around basically. I'll be very honest. For some of you, this might be the Sagittarius doing it. Like, this could go vice versa, so take it accordingly. This is a general reading. Okay, so one card for where this connection is possibly moving forward now. So where is this connection possibly moving forward for the sign of Sagittarius and their soulmate? Where is this connection possibly moving forward for the sign of Sagittarius and their soulmate? As of now, it is only leading to disappointments. You both are missing each other. It has taken forever. Some of you guys are going through an ending. I won't lie, okay? But for some of you, you guys are going through disappointments. You guys are highly disappointed by this individual and the way they behave around you. With Seven of Pentacles, it's been a struggle, okay? It's been a stagnant connection. You've waited forever for this person to change. For some of you, this could be a Scorpio you're dealing with, okay? With Nine of Cups, you still want them. Okay, so in terms of Sagittarius energy right now, so what's Sagittarius energy going to be towards their soulmate? What's Sagittarius soulmate's energy towards their soulmate? What's Sagittarius energy towards their soulmate? You guys are tired, darling. Like, seriously fucking tired. You guys are exhausted, drained from holding on to this connection and not getting anywhere. Okay, in the past, you guys could have tried to possibly manipulate them into getting a reaction from them and all that shit. Like, you guys even could have tried to wear a false mask into making them believe that you're moving on. Okay, you guys were doing something that you guys are wanting a reaction from your person. Okay, basically with Knight of Swords, some of you might have reached out, or some of you guys might be reaching out, but you guys are on your last stage. You guys are so done by this person. Okay, so what's this person possibly wanting from you now? One card for what's the Sagittarius soulmate possibly wanting from Sagittarius. What's the Sagittarius soulmate possibly wanting from Sagittarius at this current moment, if you could ask? With Page of Wands, this person wants you to communicate. They want to start communication. Okay, so let's see what Sagittarius wants from their soulmate. So what does Sagittarius want from their soulmate at the current moment? What does Sagittarius want from their soulmate at the current moment? One card for that. What does Sagittarius want from their soulmate at the current moment? You guys right now are unsure. In the past, you guys did try to get single from them, or to like possibly move on from them, to just stay focused on yourself. But right now you guys are unsure. Some days you feel like you should just move on, and some days you feel like you should possibly wait. At the current moment, if I ask you what's your final call on this connection, you are unsure. You haven't made your mind. Okay, in the past you guys could have tried to stay single or get away from them, but you were unable to. Okay, so let's take love message from your person now. So, darling, so far you guys have been very good to me. Okay, I hope you continue with your support. Okay, every sign that gives more likes, or possibly I get more views for, I'll be doing those signs at least 3 to 4 times a month. Okay, so please support the channel. Please, your likes, your comments, your possible subscribes or following helps this channel grow. So please do that. Okay, so let's take message from your person, Sagittarius. Will you follow me if I tell you to? Okay, so I believe this person wants you to basically go with the flow. Okay, they want you to go with them on their terms. Like, if they want you to basically stay together with them, like in a live-in, and then move to another place or something, they want you to follow their plan. Okay, will you follow me if I tell you to? Okay, so that's something. Give me one more card that Sagittarius soulmate wants to say to Sagittarius now. Sorry. I have responsibilities to attend. So this person might be telling you that they do not have time for this connection, and they have other responsibilities in life. They have a family to look after. They have a business to look after. They have kids to look after if they've got kids. Okay, and in the past, this person could have told you that you deserve better. You need to move towards something better in life. Okay, they in the past could have tried to possibly push you away, but you were not able to. So one card of advice for the sign of Sagittarius moving forward. One card of advice for the sign of Sagittarius moving forward. Right now, you need to heal. Okay, I believe in the past, the passion could be missing in the connection. If you could possibly get the passion rising again, or finally bring that fire in the connection, things could possibly get back on track. Okay, the passion is missing in the connection. That's what I feel. With Four of Swords, you need more healing, darling. You need to just stay focused on yourself and heal your past wounds. If you feel like you sometimes expect too much from this individual, which you do not, but sometimes this person could tell you that. So you need to possibly heal that. You need to be self-sufficient first. Okay, so top card is Ace of Wands. I however feel this connection is not over yet. Okay, so yes, this was your reading for sign of Sagittarius. Thank you so much for all your support so far. Means a lot. Okay, so if you've resonated with this reading, please do hit the like button, subscribe, comment, and if you are on Instagram, come follow me on Divine Soul Guidance. I post a lot of healing stuff there. Come and read. Do not follow, do not like, just read and go through the post. Okay, thank you so much. Cheers, darling.